Hi everybody, it's me again. Let's go with me to my garden to pick some of my veggies today. I'm going to start with my eggplants. Coming over here. So you see this? Oh my god, it's a big one. This is so crunchy eggplant. Oh, big one. And I'm going to make pickle. It's super nice. Oh, yes. Ooh. I love these eggplants. They are so great. Another one more here. Oh, this is a big one. So many big ones. Oh, look at these. So many of them here. Here too. One more. Wow. Oh, look at these. Beautiful. This is another one right here. Oh, this is big one. Beautiful. Yes.